Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on Motorola Moto S50. So you have to start by powering off your device, so use power button and volume up button and then select power off. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button for a few seconds. And now use volume buttons to move to recovery mode and then press power button. Now you have to press power button and volume up button a few times. And now you have to use volume buttons to navigate to wipe data factory reset and then press power button to select. And now move to factory data reset and then press power button again. And now your device is back to its factory settings, so choose reboot system now. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to do phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.